Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to share a local project onto GitHub account with IntelliJ IDEA. So let's get started. At first, open IntelliJ IDEA and then click on Customize. Now open all settings. In the version control section, select GitHub and then add your GitHub account with IntelliJ IDEA. I'm going to log in via GitHub username and password. Click on Authorize in GitHub account. I already have logged into my GitHub account via this web browser. So here you will see you have been successfully authorized in GitHub. Now close this page. Now go back to IntelliJ IDEA. Here you will see your GitHub account has been connected with IntelliJ IDEA. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. There are 10 repositories in my GitHub account. Now I am going to create a project on IntelliJ IDEA. I am going to name it Hello World. Now select the language. Now click on Create. That's it. Now I'm going to share this local project onto my GitHub account. So click on VCS tab and then click on Share Project on GitHub. Now enter the repository name. Make sure that you already have not the repository with this name in your GitHub account. Now write an optional description. Now click on Share button. It may take a while for creating GitHub repository. Okay, now add files for initial commit. Select all files and folder and then write a commit message and then click on Add button. Here you will see a successful message. The project has been shared to GitHub. Here you will see the local project has been pushed onto your GitHub account. Like, comment and share, and thank you so much for watching this video.